Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. Today is a very nice and sunny day. On today's video I have this Mini Cooper. This is a 2012, well this is actually Mini Countryman 4-door. Yes, I don't think there is a 3-door. Anyway, I'm going to be changing the pollen filter, particle filter, whatever it's called. This is the one. This is a Bosch M2296, and basically to access this filter we need to go into the passenger side. So this is here in the UK. Okay, so passenger side, footwell. I've got a light there just to light things up, even though it's a lot of light. And you will find this cover, and I'm just gonna use this to open these bits here a little bit and pull this cover down. I noticed that this bit here is a little bit broken on this car, so just want to be careful when pulling it down so you don't break it. And we're gonna do that bit, and also this other bit here. So once you release that cover, also it's gonna it might get a little bit stuck behind the dash plastic bit here, but you just need to pull the dash out a little bit and pull the cover down. This will obviously be a lot easier with 2 hands. So just doing it with 1 hand for the purpose of the video. Bring this cover down and you will find the pollen filter in there, so you can just slide it out. I must admit it doesn't really look that bad, but you can see there is a lot of bits in there, and you should really change it every 2 years or so. I think this is a genuine one. If you want to get a genuine one, mine is obviously a Bosch part. So I'm just checking if there is, a lot of these filters have some arrows which point in which direction it should go, but I can't see any. So let's get the new filter out. That's my new filter there. Well, as you can see, this one does have the airflow arrows there, so I am a little bit surprised there isn't one here. Okay, so in this particular case, if the filter is up there, you can see the rail in which it kind of goes up there. So the air will be coming into here and out of this side. So that's the way I'm gonna fit it, because as you can see, the way this came out, you could see this side is got all the leaves and dirt and things, and this came out like this, and this is the clean side. So that's the way the airflow is going. Basically it's coming through here and filtering, and then the clean air is coming out this way. So which is why I'm going to fit that with the arrows pointing down. Okay, let's get this up there somehow. try to put it on the sort of that rail thing so you can push it up. And obviously if you get caught a little bit, just fiddle with it a little bit so you can get it up there. Okay, once you have it in there, we can close it here. Make sure that is. Sometimes the non-genuine filters can be slightly different in size, but just try to accommodate it, and then you can close this cover. That's pretty much it. A little bit fiddly obviously, because you have to be lying down sort of upside down in the car, but it's not one of the worst I've done. So with that said, I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.